I'm Cecilia Needham, and today I'm going to show you how to call your representatives to urge them to sign Discharge Petition 15, which is to call for a vote to extend temporary protected status for Haitians. 350,000 Haitians stand to lose their work permits overnight if it's canceled in the courts, as well as be sent to deportation and back to mass hunger and violence. I'll show you how super easy it is to use our instructions. I have them pulled up right here. And basically, I'll go to step 1 and click the link. And this link takes you to a list of every representative that hasn't signed on. So it's Democrats and then key target Republicans. So I'll just go and I see that Jim Jordan from Ohio needs a call. Even though I'm not from Ohio, I can still call him. So I've got the number from the sheet all dialed up, and then I will pull back up the call instructions because it has a really nice script for me to use. Hi, my name is Cecilia Needham, and I'm a volunteer with the Institute for Justice and Democracy in Haiti. May I please speak to your legislative director? Yeah, that would be great, and I would also love to leave you with a message if possible. I'm just calling to urge Representative Lada to sign House Resolution 965, the discharge petition to extend temporary protected status for Haitians. Time is of the essence as the administration is likely to appeal the injunction that blocked the cancellation, once again putting the lives and families of over 350,000 Haitians at risk. Thus, I would just ask the representative to join over 100 of his colleagues to sign discharge petition next time he's on the House floor for a vote. Thank you so much.
Of course, thanks so much for your call.
Yeah. Lastly, what I need to do is send a follow-up email, so I will just copy and paste this script from the instructions document. I will paste it into the body of the email. I will change the names of the representative where it's highlighted, and then I will copy the subject line. And then I just got an email address from that person on the phone. And then I will just copy the email address that I got on the phone. It was the same one as in the sheet from earlier, but it's always good to ask to double check. And then send this email off. And there you go. Simple as that.